Our question today comes from one of our viewers. They are curious to know how alcohol does or doesn't fit into a whole food plant-based diet.
To make a long story short from this doctor, it doesn't fit in. I'm just not a big alcohol fan in any way, shape, or form. I know there's a whole lore that, alcohol, a glass of wine with dinner lowers your cholesterol, and the French drink wine all the time and it doesn't bother them. But the reality is that the benefits that people report really come from the grapes themselves. The resveratrol and the other alkaloids that are in the grapes certainly can do good things as far as antioxidant action, etc. But the molecule of ethyl alcohol itself is one of the most toxic molecules in biology. In the hospital, we dip our instruments into alcohol because it kills everything it comes in contact with. In Harrison's textbook of internal medicine, you can find an alcohol toxicity syndrome for every organ in the body: alcoholic encephalopathy, alcoholic cardiomyopathy, alcoholic gastritis in your stomach, alcoholic neuropathy in your legs, alcoholic myopathy for your muscles. It really is a damaging molecule, and I can't see any benefit in ingesting it. And I really think it brings out the worst in human beings as far as all the nights I've spent in emergency rooms seeing the effect of alcohol. So this doc, you're not going to hear a positive word from me about alcohol. I'm a big fan of non-alcoholic wines. I mean, it's nobody's business what's really in your wine glass there. And if you want a non-alcoholic wine, that's fine with me. Non-alcoholic beers are fine with me if the taste appeals to you. But I'm just not a big alcohol fan. If it has a minor improvement in some blood parameter, there's no question the more alcohol a woman drinks, the higher her risk of breast cancer. The more alcohol a man drinks, the higher her risk of prostate cancer. And alcohol is a carcinogenic agent. And in my opinion, less is more and none is best. So hopefully I made myself clear, but the sooner alcohol leaves the human a variety of molecules we ingest, the healthier we're going to be. Hi everyone, Dr. Michael Klaper here, announcing our new format for our Q&A with Dr. K. Each day, Annie Hagen will be asking me one question that's been sent in by our viewers. So if you want to see if your question is getting answered, do join us for our daily Q&A with Dr. K right here. Hope to see you then.